Unlocking Active Recall Flashcards.
Active recall is a powerful learning method, testing what you know, not just reviewing it. Making your own flashcards can boost memory, understanding, and long-term retention for any subject. Let's explore an effective, easy-to-follow process to create active recall flashcards that really work.
Start with the right questions.
The core of active recall flashcards is strong, clear questions. Focus on creating questions that force you to retrieve information. Avoid yes or no or overly simple prompts. Great examples include, explain the process of photosynthesis, or what are the key causes of World War I. Make sure each card covers just one idea.
Structure for maximum effect.
On one side of the flashcard, write your carefully crafted question. On the other side, write a concise, complete answer. Include keywords, diagrams, or brief lists if helpful. Avoid copying entire paragraphs. The goal is to make reviewing quick and focused.
Keep cards simple and manageable.
Limit each card to a single fact, concept, or process. Breaking complex topics into several cards prevents overload and helps you target weak spots when reviewing. Simpler cards make it easier to spot what you really know versus what needs more work.
Review and update regularly.
Use your flashcards often, testing yourself without looking at the answers. Sort your cards into decks, ones you know well, ones you're unsure about, and ones you miss. Revisit the tough cards more frequently. Update or add new cards as you learn. This way, your active recall system stays fresh and maximally effective.